Okay, finished putting the frame around the two tops, and you can see here, so this was the initial one where they're all attached, and then put two more layers on. And the reason is I decided on two because if I'm going to do any clamping on the edge, since it's a work table, it's going to be nicer to clamp to 1.5 inches width. The first one, it's nice having this depth difference because you'll see later on we're going to use this to put in a support. So that works out really well. The other thing that worked out really nice was because this one's, all the screws are down lower on this one right here. The screws are all at this level. I was able to, the next two layers just go in the middle of the board. I'm just kind of eye in the middle, but, and then, so these I could put them, the screws any place, and then here I just made sure I missed the first set of screws. So it's all, so really we have 3 layers of edging. It's, it does make them much bigger. You wouldn't think that extra 2 layers, but it does substantially make them feel bigger. So now we got the tops complete, both of them. We have the 4 legs complete. So next, I could make those 2 supports, or well, I need 2, 4, 6, 8 supports, just for the between the top and the legs. So we'll go over that once I cut them. But I would like to have a shelf. So I think that's what I need to think about next. I may not even have enough lumber up here for that, but at least I can get that in my mind how I'm doing that. And then there's some other projects we're going to work on, but I'd like to now figure out what am I doing for that shelf. Is it 1 shelf? Is it 2 shelves? Or maybe I'll vary it. Maybe one will have 1, one will have 2. So I think that's the next thing to figure out. And how am I going to attach the shelf, and what kind of support am I going to add to it? Am I going to do the shelf like this? I'm not sure yet. Okay, let's give it some thought, and then we'll move on to our next project.